Welcome to Trincomalee, coastal city with a rich past and a striking view of Sri Lanka's eastern shoreline. Atop a small hill known as Ors Hill, you'll find Sri Lanka's first open-air military museum, a space dedicated to remembering the country's long and painful journey through war. This is the Ors Hill Army Museum. Opened in 2015 by the Sri Lanka Army, the Ors Hill Army Museum stands on a scenic high point overlooking the Indian Ocean. It's part of the 22 Division headquarters and is designed to both honor military service and educate the public. As you walk through its wide open grounds, you'll come face to face with armored vehicles, artillery pieces, communication equipment, and captured weaponry. These aren't just exhibits, they are real tools of war once used on the battlefields of Sri Lanka. The museum is interactive. You can step inside tanks, observe war gear up close, and even try your hand at air rifle shooting. But every object here tells a deeper story, one that stretches back over 30 years. From 1983 to 2009, Sri Lanka endured a brutal civil war. The conflict pitted the government of Sri Lanka against the liberation tigers of Tamil Eelam, commonly known as the LTTE or Tamil Tigers. The LTTE fought to establish an independent Tamil state in the north and east of the country, citing discrimination and lack of autonomy. Over the years, they built a formidable military force, complete with ground troops, naval units, and even a small air wing. They introduced suicide bombings to South Asia and carried out high-profile assassinations, including Indian Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi and Sri Lankan President Ranasinghe Premadasa. In response, the Sri Lankan military launched a series of intense campaigns to contain and defeat the insurgency. After 26 years of fighting, the war officially ended in May 2009, with the death of LTTE leader Vellupillai Prabhakaran and the collapse of the organization's remaining forces. Inside the museum, you'll see an array of war machines, battle tanks, field guns, mortar, and rocket launchers. But what sets this museum apart is its inclusion of LTTE equipment, weapons, fast boats, communication gear, uniforms, and improvised explosive devices. The museum often welcomes school groups and local students. Guided tours are led by experienced military personnel who share stories, answer questions, and help visitors understand the historical and human context of what they're seeing. It's not about glorifying war, it's about remembering sacrifice and understanding history. The museum is open every day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Entry is affordable for local citizens and foreign visitors. It's located about 10 minutes from Trincomalee town center and is easily reachable by tuk-tuk or taxi. Photography is allowed in most areas, although some sensitive displays may be restricted. We recommend giving yourself at least an hour and a half to explore all the exhibits comfortably. Sri Lanka's civil war left deep scars. Over 100,000 lives were lost, and countless others were affected by displacement, trauma, and loss. The museum doesn't hide these truths. Instead, it provides a space where visitors can reflect on what war really means. By displaying not only the tools of battle, but also the cost of conflict, the Ors Hill Army Museum becomes a place of remembrance and, hopefully, reconciliation. It reminds us that history is not just about victories and defeats. It's about people, their struggles, and their hopes for a better future. If you're ever in Trincomalee, make time to visit the Orskill Army Museum. Whether you're a history enthusiast or a curious traveler, you'll leave with a deeper understanding of Sri Lanka's past and a greater appreciation for the peace it has today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves history and travel.